okay, unprotected CSST. So normally we don't use the CSST outside the building, yeah, because you never know who will go there and kick or some damage the pipe. Yeah, so like this one, we saw this is should be supply for the fireplace. Yeah, so this is too low. Yeah, so and if you mow the grass, so it will damage the pipe here. Yeah, so it's not said not allowed outside the building, but if you put the CSST outside, you should protect the tube. Yeah, so just like that. So like this one, so maybe I think it's best way is use the black iron. So if you use pipe to protect, maybe it's more complicated than the black pipe, you know. Yeah, so just like that. Okay, gas detection. So for us, if we do the home inspection, so if we go inside the house, we smell some gas. So that's normally maybe there's a gas leak, you know. Yeah. So but it doesn't matter if there's a gas leak or not. It's better check the gas pipe, because even the black pipe, black iron pipe, or the CSST. So when we install, if there's no leak, that's not meaning so after use the several years, still no leaking. Yeah, so you can use a gas leak detector. So I think some guy maybe saw the gas leak detector. Yeah, so I recommend you can buy one. So it's about $100. So it's not that expensive. But if you go there do the job like that, so the customers see you are so professional, you know. Yeah, so there's sometimes the tools is very important. Yeah, so when we check the connector connections, so use the gas leak detector. So don't move too fast. Yeah, so because that electronic tools, so sometimes is good. So if you there's a big leak, you just move around here, it will be alarm. But sometimes, so if you move too fast, it cannot test. You know, it's not good. Yeah, so just move slowly. So normally we just do like that, and from one side and just around, and very slow to the other around. Yeah, so if there's a little big leak and cause the detector alarm around there, we don't know, we cannot lock where the leak. So we can use a bubble, like this bubble soap. Yeah. So,
Sam, can I ask you a question about the last slide?
Yeah.
Can you go back one? That flexible pipe, isn't that too long? Isn't that too long and it's not allowed to go through walls?
No, so not too long. So in fact, it doesn't matter the pipe or tubes. So how long, just depend on the size. Yeah, if it's too long, you need to use a bigger size. Yeah, so this one, so if you protect it, so should be okay. Yeah, but normally we don't use the CSST outside the building because nobody know who will damage that. Yeah, not because of the length,
I thought it was limited to 3 feet and only 6 feet for appliances. So.
Oh no. So that's depend on the BTU. So in fact, when we run the pipe, doesn't matter what kind of pipe, we need to know the appliance BTU first. So after we know the BTU, and then we plan the route. So from the appliance to the gas meter, how far from there? So that means how long the pipe we should run. And then we have the code. There's a like a table. We can check. Okay, so this length, this BTU should be 3/4 pipe or the 1-inch pipe. So it doesn't matter the length.
Okay, because I'm just looking I took the course through Carson Dunlop, and I'm looking at their book right now, and it says flexible connectors cannot go through walls, floors, or ceilings, nor can they be concealed. A flexible connector length is usually limited to 3 feet, except for gas ranges and clothes dryers.
Okay, so you misunderstand. So this one cannot call the gas connector, not a flexible gas connector. This one is. So this one is. Right? This one is. You mean it's this one?
Is that not the same thing we're looking at that picture? Oh, okay.
No. So that's why I explain. So like the left picture is the CSST, and this one we call it a gas connector. Yeah, this one cannot over 3 feet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's different. Okay, so this one, so I said before, so this one we can use the the nut here.
Yeah.
Yeah, use like the union. Okay. Yeah. So but this one, this adapter, we cannot use as a union. Yeah,
okay. So thank you for the clarification.
Yeah, it's different. Okay. Yeah. So this is a manufactured. Is when we buy just like that. We don't need to attach this adapter to the pipe, to the hose. Yeah, but this one we need. So it's the CSST pipe, hose, and the adapter is different parts. So we should install on the job site. Yeah, that's different. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Don't see just okay. All is a yellow pipe, yellow hose. It should be same. No, it's not same. Yeah, that's why I said that this one is not allowed in Saskatchewan for the furnace. Yeah.
I'll make a quick note on that too, since we're back on the topic, Sam. Those appliance connectors, like Sam mentioned, some appliance manufacturers do allow them to be installed, but generally there's a BT rating. So once again, if you guys want to get into the habit, if you open up the installation manual, some brands of furnace manufacturers or water heaters will say specifically no appliance connectors allowed. And again, that's the image on the right. CSSD again is a little bit different.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't know about that. So, but normally, so the furnace we use a CSST, and like the other appliance, we never use a CSST. So only the main pipe, the main pipe we maybe the whole building use the CSST just to save the labor.
Absolutely, yeah. You see a lot of brand new builds in Edmonton and Calgary where they use CSST, from the gas meter to the main gas train inside the mechanical room, and then they might do another run to the underneath the deck, straight CSST.
Yeah, you mean so some of the new appliances they just require not to use a CSST? Is that right?
No. I'm just saying that some appliance manufacturers don't allow appliance connectors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you bet.
Okay. Yeah. So, but that's different. Okay. So yeah, so that's why. So you see, this one looks like a gas connector, but it's very long. Yeah, so that's a CSST. Okay, so carbon monoxide detector. Yeah, so this one. So I think you should get these tools too. It's very important. Like when you do the home inspection, so you just put a carbon monoxide detector close to a supply vent, and then run the furnace. And then this time, so maybe you can do the other job and just a few minutes, or sometime you can come back to check. So if there's a carbon monoxide come out. So normally we require 0 show the carbon monoxide. So we shouldn't have any numbers there. Yeah, but sometimes it's very old furnace. Maybe not the the carbon monoxide come out from the heat changer. But sometimes if there's a dust on the heat changer when they burn, so it will come out some carbon monoxide. But maybe only few minutes and then gone. So, but still need to be careful. Yeah. So if you saw any numbers shown there, so you should make in the notes. Yeah. So this one, bubble test. So you can get the soap bubble from Home Depot. They have a small bottle. Yeah, so different size. You can get some from there. Yeah, it's not expensive, but it can tell exactly where the leak. Sometimes the electronic one only tell us this area is leak, but but where is leak exactly, we don't know. The soap can't tell. Yeah, so if you use soap, it's bubbled, so that means there's a leak there.